Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I hope you are all in a very good health and studying well with your full focus. Thank you for joining me. Today we are going to discuss some applications. Before starting the exercise, let us work out 5.2. In our previous class, we have discussed about proportion and we have solved some questions, some applications related to the concepts. Now, today, let us solve some more applications. Application 37, which says so this is our question. Write which number is to be added to each of A, B, C, and D to make the sums proportional. So, let x should be added to each number. Therefore, the numbers after adding x to each of these numbers, the new numbers become proportional. That means a plus x by b plus x is equal to c plus x by d plus x. or by cross multiplying these numbers we get now x square can be cancelled from both sides. Now we are transferring the terms containing x to the same side. It is transferred to the left side and bx is also transferred to the left side, and the constant term is transferred to the right side. Or if we take x common from all of these terms, now if this quantity is transferred to the right side, so this is what we get. That means this quantity should be added to each of these terms to make the resulting numbers proportional. Now you should remember one thing: if three quantities of same nature are given, and the ratio of first and second term becomes equal to the ratio of second and third term, then these three quantities are said to be in continued proportion. Okay, so you need to remember this point. You need to remember the concept of continued proportion. So, for example, if I say if three real numbers um, A, comma B, comma C, where B not equal to 0, C not equal to 0 are in continued proportion. If three real numbers are in continued proportion, we can write A by B is equal to B by C. Okay, when A, B, C are in continued proportion, we can write A by B is equal to B by C. When A, comma B, comma C are in continued proportion, we can write A is to B as B is to C, which can also be written as A by B is equal to B by C. Now, if we cross multiply, we get, or we can write B square equal to AC, or B is equal to root over AC plus minus root over AC. So when A, B, C are in continued proportion, we can say that B is equal to plus minus root over AC, or B square equal to AC. We need to remember this result. Okay, and among A, B, C, B is called the mean proportional of A and C. B is called the mean proportional of A and C. And C is the third proportional. This is our first proportional. So let us do one application related to it. Find the third proportional of 9 and 15. Let the third proportional be x. Therefore, 9, 15, x are in continued proportion. Therefore, we can write 9 by 15 is equal to 15 by x, or 9x equal to 225, or x equal to 225 by 9. So the value of x is 25. Okay, this is our third proportional. Now application 43. Find the mean proportional of 1 by 12 and 1 by 75. So let us assume, let the mean proportional be x. Therefore, we can write 1 by 12 by x is equal to x by 1 by 75. Now, if we cross multiply it, we are getting x square is equal to 1 by 12 into 1 by 75. So the value of x is root over 1 by 12, which can be written as 3 into 4 into 1 by 3 into 25. So we can write it. Okay, 1 by 3 into 2 into 5 whole square. Now if we take it outside the root, we are getting 1 by 30. So this is our required mean proportional. I hope you are able to understand it. Now let us do another application. If the extreme terms of three positive numbers which are in continued proportion are PQR and PR by Q, find the mean proportional. So let us assume, let the mean proportional be X. Therefore, according to the question, we can write this is our first term by the middle term is equal to the middle term by the last term. Okay. So now by cross multiplying we get P square R square. So X is equal to plus minus uh, okay, so it is said that they are positive, so we are only going, okay, so X equal to PR, but we are going to take only the positive term because it is said that the all the terms are positive. Okay, so we are only taking the positive value, so X is positive PR. Okay, so this is our required mean proportional. Now friends, let us proceed to, let us see by calculating 5.2. Let us start 5.2. So this is our 5.2. Let us see. Let us see by calculating 5.2. I am only writing 5.2. Okay. So the first question says, let us find the value of x for the following proportion. Let us find the value of x. So question Roman 1 says 10 is to 35 as x is to 42. So we need to find out x. So we can write it, or if we transfer 42 to the left side, we are getting x is equal to 12. So Roman 2 is exactly similar to the first question. That is why I am leaving Roman 2. Do it yourself. Okay. Roman 2, do it yourself. Now let us proceed to question number 2. Question number 2 says, let us find the fourth proportional of the following. Find the fourth proportional. Okay. So Roman 1, 1 by 3, comma 1 by 4, comma 1 by 5. Okay. So we need to find out the fourth proportional. So let the fourth proportional be x. Therefore 1 by 3 by 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 5 by x. So by cross multiplying we can write so the value of x is 3 by 20. This is our fourth proportional. Now question number 2, Roman 2. 9.6 kg, 7.6 kg, 28.8 kg, and we do not know the fourth proportional. So we can write let the fourth proportional be x. Therefore we can write 9.6 by 7.6 is equal to 28.8 by x. So we can remove these 2 points, and we can remove this point and multiply the denominator by 10. So now if we cross multiply, we get x into 960 is equal to 2288 into 76. So the value of x should be 288 into 76 by 960. So our fourth proportional should be 22.8 kg. Now question 3 says, Roman 3 of 2. I am leaving one question for yourself. I am leaving question number 3 for you. Okay, do it yourself. Now question number Roman 4. It says p minus q comma p square minus q square comma p square minus pq plus q square. Okay, these are three terms, and we do not know the fourth term, the fourth proportional. Okay, so let us assume, let the fourth proportional be x. Therefore we can write p minus q. By the exact same pattern should be followed, like our previous questions, question number Roman 1 and 2. Okay, exact similar. So p minus q, and so we can write p square minus q square, p plus q into p minus q. Now we can cancel p minus q. Now if we cross multiply, we can write x is equal to p plus q into p square minus pq plus q square. So this is our formula of p cube plus q cube. So this should be the value of the fourth proportional, p cube plus q cube. Now let us do question number 3. Find the third proportional of the following positive numbers. So question number 1 says, Roman 1 5, comma 10. So we do not know the third proportional. These three numbers are in continued proportion. So let the third proportional be x. Therefore, if these three numbers are in continued proportion, then 5 by 10 is equal to 10 by x, or 5x equal to 100, or x equal to 20. This is our third proportional. Now Roman 2. So we do not know the third number. So let the third proportional be x. These three numbers are